how to fix GTA 5 auto close problem isn't quick. If you want to fix it, all you need to do first, just go to settings and then go to privacy, scroll down until you find background apps, and then turn off this option here. Now let's move to the next step. Right click here, go to task manager, and now click memory to see applications that takes a lot of your memory, like Google Chrome. Right click on it and click end task. Now just go back and restart your PC, and after restarting your PC, right click on your desktop, go to NVIDIA control panel, and now click use my preference, move it to performance, and click apply, and then close this tab, and that's it. Now your problem must be fixed, and that's it for this video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.